Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. In today's video I have some very easy budget-friendly home decor DIYs. This is also in collab with Liz from Liz Moore Decal Decor. We are both doing DIYs using wood. I will have the link to her video and channel down below so you can check her out. She's so talented and does affordable home decor DIYs. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit that notification bell button so you can get notified every time I upload. With that being said, now let's craft. Alright friends, we're going to start with these planks that I picked up from Michael's a couple of weeks ago. They were on clearance for $1 each. I'm going to start by just placing them all together, starting with the two big ones in the center, and then I'm going to put the medium and then the smallest ones, just like this. Then I'm going to use my hot glue to glue this. You can't use wood glue or any other stronger glue for this if you like. I'm only using hot glue, but then I am going to add some popsicle sticks on the back for extra support. The next thing I will be doing is painting my sign. Now I'm only painting like the bottom part. Well, I tried to only do the bottom, but I painted a little bit more than that. The reason I'm doing this is because I'm going to do the reversible stencil. I think that's what it's called, I'm not sure. Is where you paint something first and then you put like a sticker and then you paint over it. The stickers I will be using are these that I got from Michael's a while back, but Dollar Tree always carry ones you can use instead. I'm going to put the word family, but first I'm going to put some of this leftover painter's tape that I had already used. I was like, you know what, I can still use it. And I'm just putting this so like that my letters are nice and straight. And this is how they look. Now as you can see, I did paint way too much, but that is okay. Now I'm going to just paint over it using some white chalk paint. I'm using a Dollar Tree score to just go over where the lines are at, so like that they're more visible and you can see them. Once I had that done, I then went ahead and removed the stickers. And look how beautiful it's starting to look. Now, it did bleed a little bit, but that was my fault because I was being crazy and was just putting paint everywhere. I wasn't being gentle. So the next thing I will be adding is one of these Dollar Tree clear hooks. Now you can add 3 and make this into like a little hanger keychain thing, but I'm only adding 2. And I'm adding some little clips so like that I can add some pictures. Now I am going to make a wreath, and I'm using a Dollar Tree jute wire cord to make it. I'm going to make a circle first, and then I'm going to add some of this greenery, which is so pretty. This greenery comes from a eucalyptus garland that I picked up from Ross a few months ago, which cost me $8.99. And oh my gosh, every time I go to Ross, I always go and check and see if I find more, because this is such a great buy for $8.99 compared to the ones at Hobby Lobby and Michael's. They're like $30-$40. I'm going to just glue little pieces of that greenery all around the circle and make it into this beautiful wreath. I decided to add some more greenery. Now I already had this. It's just some boxwood greenery from Walmart with a bow in the center. Now I'm going to add the little clips instead of the hooks. These are the little clips I will be using. And that is it, guys. That is it for this DIY. I think it turned out beautiful, and I absolutely love how the letters look. For my next DIY, I will be using 2 of the Dollar Tree 4x6 canvas and this scrap wood that I already had. I'm going to remove the staples and the canvas. I'm only using the frame part. Now, as you can see, the wood, I think they use it as a stain sampler. They stain it in different parts so you can see how it looks. But anyways, once I had the 2 frames, I then started to glue them on each side, and I will be using some wood glue for this. Oh, and I guess some hot glue. I did forget that I also use hot glue. But that is it. Now, once I had both of the sides, I then put something heavy and left it drying overnight. Once it was dry, I used the Waverly Antique Wax to paint that entire thing. And that is it, guys. This was so easy and simple to do. I think it turned out beautiful. For my next DIY, I'm going to use the same scrap wood that I already used in my tray. Now keep in mind, I did this DIY first and then the tray. So I'm going to use the piece that was darker, that had the stain darker in the back. And I'm going to make a little house. And to make the triangle, I'm using this canvas frame. And then I'm going to go outside and cut it using my little saw, which I absolutely love. It's so easy to use. And that is it, guys. It was so easy and fast to cut this. Now I'm going to use some Dollar Tree stickers to put our nest. I'm using the reversible stencil method once again. I then went over it with some white chalk paint. Once it was semi-dry, I then removed the little stickers. The last thing I will be adding is a Dollar Tree little clear hook, so like that I can add a wreath. And the best part about this is that you can use this all year round by just switching the wreath. And that is it, guys, for this beautiful Our Nest little house. For my next DIY, I actually don't have the entire footage, but all I did is paint one of the Dollar Tree little boxes, the ones that go in the inside, and I painted it white. I'm using the one that had the heart in the center. They do carry different ones like stars, butterflies, and I forgot what else. But they do carry many ones you can use. Now the next thing I will be using are these Dollar Tree laser cutouts. I'm not sure if they're wood, but they are beautiful. They also carry so many different ones. I'm using the heart ones and I'm going to glue it in the center to cover the hole. The next thing I will be adding are some little legs, and I will be using some of these beads that I got from Amazon. I did have ones that were already painted with the color Antique Wax. And that is it for this beautiful planter. It was so easy and simple to do. Now the last thing I will be adding is some greenery. And that is it, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed these craft wood ideas. Don't forget to go check out Liz. I'll have her information down in the description box. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.